watching Kababayan LA, and if you're just joining us, paalala lang po dun sa ating mga kababayan, please join us tomorrow. Tulak Karunungan, kasama po si 2009 CNN hero Efren Peña, Florida. Kung matatandaan po natin, siya po ay nakatanggap ng grant from CNN para ipagpatuloy yung kanyang ginagawa, which is bringing education to the poor. Gumagawa po sila, with that money, bumili po ng lupa sa Cavite, and they're building a learning center there. So nandito po si Efren sa America for about a month to promote and to get donations para po ma-complete nila yung learning center na yan. So in LA, ang kanya pong stop ay mangyayari on Saturday, November 6, bukas po yan, 6 p.m. sa Crystal Cathedral. Napakarami po nating makakasamang mga singers. Of course, it will be hosted by Bernardo and yours truly. But the singers, si Florante po, nandyan din. Nandyan din po si Jonathan Badon na nakilala natin kahapon dito sa Kababayan LA. So please come out and join us. Back here in the studio, Kababayan LA. Kahapon po, nakilala natin bagong performer dito sa Kababayan LA. Of course, we all know that this show, we give a platform to up-and-coming and aspiring Filipino-American performers. Kahapon, we met a very young lady. She's only 13, pero napakaganda po, napakatangkad. And she said she also wants to be a model and an actress, but I promise you that she's going to be singing for us today on the show. Enjoy this one. Ako po si Janelle Song, inyong kababayan dito sa Los Angeles. Have a great weekend. And here is Samantha Costales.
Some people live just to play the game.